Good morning. This is your morning moment. This week is about ritualizing and reducing our stress levels, including how we feel at this moment, at this particular moment. So one of the things that's really important is to create a morning ritual, right? So a morning ritual will give you a sense of calmness, groundedness, being present, being in the now. And I think a lot of us are feeling like we're starting our days off panicked. So one of the things that I've been doing is dialing down on media, all media, social media, TV, all of it. And I'm finding the time to do a very simple thing, and I want to share that with you. I'm writing down a set of things on my list that I have to do because I'm working out of home. I've shifted my priority. So here's some things that I'm doing. I get a big piece of paper and I look at, like, what do I have to do in my work life that has to be done that day or that week? And then what are the things in my home life that I also want to tackle, right? And I want to get through. It might be things that are carried over from before. By actually getting your head a little bit more rational, right? You're stepping out of the anxiety zone. You're out of the zone of panic. And you're taking time for yourself. You're taking time to get quiet. And just like Yoda says from Star Wars, one of my favorite characters, sit quietly every day. Spend time quietly nurturing your own nature, right? So I added that part, but I'm sure Yoda would have loved it. So that's the idea. Just get quiet. There's a lot of noise going on. There's sirens going, and we're going to the supermarket. We're stressed out, wondering what's going on. So bring it back to you. Get out your list. What are the things that you want to tackle, that you want to make through that day and along your way? All right, let me know how you do.